I'm Blake Bolden here with the Desire Company. I just want to show you guys what I use as a professional ice hockey player for recovery. I have my Hypervolt here. It's one of my favorite recovery tools. Very passive. You just sit here, massage any part of your body that you need. As a hockey player, I use this in hotels, I use this in airplanes, I use this before bed, when I wake up in the morning, and any sort of muscle that feels tight for me. So all you have to do is turn this bad boy on the bottom. You press this button and the hammer will go away. So this is a great massage tool if you don't have a roller handy, or if you're sitting and it's quiet, it's not sounding like a jackhammer and too distracting. I love this because sometimes rolling out can be tiresome and you start sweating, but here you can just sit and massage any part of your body. I would recommend this Hypervolt to anybody that has any sort of soreness. I feel like a lot of people right now, especially when we're sitting at home and we're working from a computer and we're sitting down a lot, especially for me as an athlete, I stand up and my hips are gone. They're tight, they get locked up. If you have these issues, just use it anywhere you want. You don't have to be an athlete to take care of your body. In modern days, we can all use our own personal masseuse, so what better way to do it than having a Hypervolt?